Talking about all of us?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're at an equine facility here in Shelbyville, and they've got some erosion problems from the horses running alongside the fence and spraying Roundup, and over time it's washed the gully out. So we're going to put down a 4-foot wide gravel strip. We're going to start with a layer of 1.5 inches, about 3 inches deep, track it down, then we'll cover it with crusher run and compact it so it stays in place. And we're starting here at this corner, going all the way down this fence line, across the cross fence, another 200 or 300 feet, and we got another paddock to do on the other side of the barn. It'll be about 1,000 feet altogether.
I'm just a driver.
Hauling lots of rock. And I'm Matt. I'm basically just cameraman today. I'm in the F550, and Joe is loading it up with about 3 or 4 tons, and then we're going to haul it on down there to save trips back and forth from the original pile. A little more efficient. Lunchtime. Okay, so we got this whole run done. It's about 600 feet. The larger material is placed. Mr. Cody just brought us this load of crusher run. This is about that 1 inch down to dust. It'll be real soft for the horses to run on. And we'll start spreading this. See how it goes from there. That's load number 7 for the day. Coming down to the end of it.